What's up with it to the two elite again? Hey, to the two elite again. Hey, to the two elite gang. Period. What's up with it, gang? It's your girl, Big Jada, and I'm back with another freaking video. But for real though, y'all, I am back and I am coming to y'all to let y'all know that I am finna get your boy Quay. Period. I have been contemplating, anticipating, and procrastinating on this. But guess what? Today is the day and I am about to get him. I'm about to spray paint his truck with this snow. Y'all know he love his truck, but guess what? I'm about to do it. I'm doing it today. No ifs, ands, and buts about it. But currently I am at workout, so I am about to get out the vehicle and I'm going to work out, and after me, my aunt and my cousin are going to spray paint this truck. It is what it is. And then when I get back home, of course, we'll see, you know, what his reaction is going to be, because I know he gonna snap. But guess what? It is what it is. So guess what, gang? I will be back. Hey, what's up, y'all? We just finished our workout and now we are out here about to spray paint this truck with the snow. I got my auntie back here and I'm so scared, but you know what? Forget how it turned out. We finna do this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my God. It's fight time, my boy. Ooh, I hope you don't get killed. Then her cousin in the cut laughing. They like to do ignorant stuff. Oh. Ooh, ooh. Okay, we're gonna go back around this way. Oh, so you doing the other side too? Oh my God. Oh, y'all. I'm scared. Team, we're gonna say team. So you really spray paint both sides of this truck? Really? Oh, y'all. Cat, I'm gonna put cat. Naked. Man, you can't see it. Woo. I think it's not anymore. Yes, it is. Y'all, my grandma used to use this spray. But I think enough is enough. Okay. Ooh, okay, y'all. So I'm gonna come back and let y'all know what he say when he see this truck. Okay. Y'all, I am currently back at home. I have taken a shower, done everything I needed to do. Now I'm waiting on Quay and them to come home. They on their way right now. So at this point, we just about to wait to see how this gonna go. I'm gonna hide the camera and let's see how this goes.
You don't get that shit off the damn truck.
What is you talking about?
Jada, you better get that shit out of my truck.
It can't come out.
Y'all, you a damn lie, they ain't gonna come out.
It ain't. It's
Jada, if you don't get that shit out of my truck.
I had bought it and he said it was washable, and then when I tried to spray it on there, Quay, it didn't come off.
I don't want to well, you ain't driving no more. Give me my keys.
Oh, I don't have it. I don't have no keys.
Oh, well. The hell?
What?
Get that out. What? Nothing.
No, I need you to read the can. The can said that.
I don't need to read nothing. I don't need to read nothing.
Oh, you mad? You mad?
What?
You okay? You not okay?
No, I seen that one off. The hell?
Oh.
Team Jada, you better get this shit off my truck. I ain't playing.
It don't come off.
You better figure out if someone get it repainted.
Yeah.
Mama.
Did you see that in the truck?
Hold on.
Boy, just go on tell the camera it's Team Jada. Hey, go on tell. Say Team Jada. Say Team Jada. Say Team Jada, Germany.
TJ.
Period.
Period.
Quay, come on. Just come on tell the camera. Just go on tell the camera, Team Jada. Go on tell the camera.
You better go get that off my truck.
I gotta take it to the car wash. You can't just come on.
Nah, that's gonna come out next.
Come on,
You must finna take it to the car wash.
No, I'm gonna get some water out of here.
Oh, he finna fix his own car. Say Team Jada, boo.
TJ.
Period.
Period.
Okay, y'all, it is the next day, and I just wanted to show y'all this truck. So, let me show y'all.